Everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is a picture of my husband, and this is my first layout with the February kit, and since some of it is Valentine themed, I'm going to do some gesso to the back, kind of smudge it around, give it that soft look to it, and then layer behind it so you see some of that behind. And then it's going to house my areas for my die cuts too. And then here is where I was telling you that I used the cut files for February. I went and I printed them all out, and then I changed some of the layers to patterns. So I print it and cut it. So I didn't actually layer paper behind there. I filled in with digital scrapbook papers that I have. Like some of it is Maggie Holmes Bloom, I think, digital kit. And so I have that heart and a flower and XOXO. So the die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Heartfelt. I feel so relieved to be getting my roof done. Finally. I was going to see what this is. Oh, it's at 100%. And then I haven't used these roller stamps in a long time. So this layout, I pulled out those, and I used two different colors, pink and a teal or a aqua. It just gives it like a texture feel. Sometimes I would actually roll it into the gesso and then roll it on my page, but in this case I didn't want to do that. And I even pulled out some stamps. This is just like a scribble circle that I'm going to put here. And this is just a picture that my husband sent me. I'm not sure if it's... And then I'm going to have it be house my title. I'm going to try to figure it out. I can't seem to find where I like it. So I did pull out some of my heart washies, and I'm going to use those. And then this one says love at first sight. I was going to do the same circle over there, but I decided no. I'm going to put my I am going to use that. I was looking in here to see if I could find what I could layer with the flower. Hey, Patton. I gotta go do my yard work in my backyard bed pretty soon, so I'd finish this up. So the forms that I'm going to put by the picture are going to be Pink Fresh Studios some days. And I'm going to put a stamp on there that says, I love blank about you. So it takes me a little while to figure out where I want my title. Here's where I stand. And I can honestly say I bought these stamps at Tuesday morning. They're due Lizzie, I think no, Heidi Swap. I'm also going to do this XOXO stamp down by the flower. And then there's stamps in 3 areas on my page. If you wonder where Theo's at, he is probably outside on my back porch. And so I realized, oh, I didn't glue my heart, so I have to do that. And this is where my title's going to go. And I think I do some enamel dots on this too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And I really like how that turned out. And this one I actually did Monday. Today's Wednesday, so. And here's where I do my enamel dots. And once I do that, that is pretty much all I do to this kit. So I'll go ahead and let you go, and thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I enjoy putting up my videos. It's fun. Time consuming, but fun. Anyway, I'll be back.